Major flooding again. What the heck?
At 19.0 feet, street flooding begins in Fairfield, including Champlain Road. Two bridges road is closed going into Lincoln Park and Wayne. At 19.5 feet, Horseneck Road in Fairfield is subject to flooding enclosures. At 20.0 feet, Eagle Rock Avenue in Rosewood is subject to flooding.
Wait. Wait until this finishes. Dude, another one.
Just turn on your goddamn mic. Yes?
Bro, another major flooding.
Yeah. Everyone is.
Bro, what the heck? It could be a double header.
Hi.
It could be a double header. I don't know.
Yeah. Wait.
Is it the double header?
Cubic, bro.
No, it's not.